And it took a little while to get it stiff. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, shit, I've never taken this long to get it stiff.
You're disgusting.
Oh, shut up. Hi, welcome to Mom and Deb's Kitchen. Today we are going to make keto chocolate mousse. Sorry, this allergy ring and this wind is killing all of us out here. So far, what I have combined is 8 ounces of cream cheese, a half a cup of heavy cream, whole heavy cream, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence. I'm adding in now a half a cup of powdered erythritol. I don't know how to say it. It's Keto's version of powdered sugar.
You don't know how to say it before that, so.
No, because I don't really think.
Professional.
I'm gonna list the recipe so they can say it however they want. Okay. A third cup of unsweetened cocoa.
Unsweetened.
Because it's keto.
My keto.
And then I use unsweetened for all my baking. Then you add your own sugars. And then a quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm going to combine this and then put this aside, and then I'm going to make the whipped cream with the remaining heavy cream. So I'm going to combine this and we'll be right back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome back to Mom and Deb's Kitchen. Okay, so this is what the heavy cream, cream cheese, vanilla, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar, keto powdered sugar, and the salt. It looks like a thick batter. And I'm just going to say right now that I'm proud of myself because this is the first time I've ever done the whipped cream with the heavy cream and turned it into it. So it's just heavy cream in there. And it took a little while to get it stiff. I'm not going to lie. I was like, shit, I've never taken this long to get it stiff.
You're disgusting.
Oh, shut up. I didn't say it, you would say it.
Whatever. Not like that.
So now it says to, I probably did it.
Oh.
I know. It's more of like a scraper than this one. So it says to fold this into it to get your mousse consistency. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The stirring takes a little bit of a little bit of time here and like muscle. But here we go. Look how fluffy this is. For chocolate mousse. And I want to say with keto servings, it's about this size. So I'm just going to squeeze it in here. Yeah. You know what? Really, you're going to try this. It's not overly sweet. I'm just going to give you a heads up.
Oh.
Okay?
So much fun.
Okay. So it's a chocolate mousse. I want them to see it. And I'll list the ingredients and how I did it. Super simple. Like I said, I'm always looking for a keto dessert. And what was I going to say?
No. Just talk.
The nutrition information. Go to the camera. Face the camera like your dad told you last show.
I never did.
It's chocolate. It's good, huh? It's not overly sweet.
Sounds good.
Well, there you go. So there you go. We have another little dessert. Easy peasy. Just a lot of mixing. And then this is the kind of tool that you use for to make the whipped cream.
You're a tool.
I am a tool. I raised a tool.
6101.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to check out the press conference.
Listening?
No. Clinch. In the clinch. Today is Cinco de Mayo, which is not going to be when you guys watch it, so you'll see this Wednesday. But I'm wearing my Golden Knights shirt. They have to win tonight to go to the second round. Let's go, Knights. Go, Knights, go. And I don't know what I'm making next week, but thank you for joining us. Let me know if you've tried this recipe, and let me know if you have any other recipes to try that are keto. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.